What is up, YouTube? I'm here gonna show you how to use the joystick. But what you're gonna want to do is go to download. Well, let me show you first. You go to oh no, wrong one. You go to Google. You look up Tutu app. You click the Chinese words. You won't be able to read it though. And if you're on iOS, you go to the middle button and click. You click that green button. You can't miss it. Or if you're on Android, you go to Android. You download it. After it downloads, it will turn into this. It will turn into this. Then what you want to do is go to this, and then you can see. Oh wait, not right. And it will download. Oh, what the hell did it go? No! I'm gonna click on it. Come on. Well, here, let me show you guys. Take this off. I'm gonna go to Google. Put in Tutu app. Click it. Since I'm on Android, click this. I create a new file. And it's downloading now. I open it. Tutu app. Open package installer once. Next, install. And just wait for it to install. Wait for it. Up. And it's installed. What you're gonna do is open it. Go to it. Just wait for it to load. Click Pokemon Go. You won't be able to what it says, but you click OK right here. Create a new file. And what the hell am I looking at? And it'll be showing right here. So what we're gonna do is wait for it to load. And let's just look at this, whatever popped out. Bruh. Ugh. Bruh. I don't know what that is. Bruh. 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 And now we're gonna see if it's done downloading. It's downloaded complete. Open with the package installer just once. Click next, install. And we just wait for it to install. Wait for it. Just wait. Bruh, chicken nuggets. Bruh, chicken nuggets. Bruh, chicken nuggets. Bruh, chicken nuggets. Bruh. Bruh, chicken nuggets. Bruh, chicken nuggets. Bruh. Oh, there we go. Since it says app install, we click open. And there's the joystick. I don't think it's gonna work for me though, because I tried this many times. I wanna see if it works. Just gotta wait for it to freaking, download. foot. Freaking YouTuber says they say freaking damn hack, but then it doesn't freaking work for them Android. I've tried this many times. So if you see a video that showed the joystick with a hack, do not listen to them. They're just dummies. And if you do, and if you're watching what I just told you, next time make a better hack with the freaking arrows to show a good damn video. So there you go, YouTube. This is freaking joystick that doesn't even freaking work. Freaking game that doesn't work. And then right here, so those are freaking gay Pokemon. Well, when you play, it's just gay Pokemon.